What's up, guys? It's July 26th, 2024. Sideways day in the markets. Let's see the daily. Daily, 45 minute. Oh, wait a minute. Can I put the 45 minute on the daily? Just wait. I just want to see how it looks. Oh, no, that looks dumb. Okay. So, yeah, we'll leave it out. So, this blue line is the daily EMA, and that's the 45 minute EMA. If that makes sense. So, this blue line is right there. So, there's some continuity, if that's the word. Leg one, pull back leg two for the bears. First gap bar below the EMA, and it looks like bulls are starting to buy. But could this be the pullback to a third leg lower for the bears or a reversal up for the bulls? This is a strong bar and the gap stayed open. But then this is also a bull bar closing above yesterday's close, not the high. But that also says something. And we have been in a bull channel for most of the year. So there's lots of options. Or we could consolidate for a while and just go sideways. Maybe the EMA has to catch up to the price rather than price going to the EMA. In a trend, the EMA is going to the price. In a range, price is going to the EMA, right? Because it's closing the gap in a range, opening the gap in a trend. So, yeah, I think that's right. Mean reversion is range, yes. So that's right. With trend is away. Leg one, pull back leg two. It's going sideways. Looks like bulls bounced off this breakout. Maybe they need to put a right shoulder in before they reverse. That would show the bulls tried 3 times. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, lower high. The names don't really matter. It's the price action behind the names, and that's what happens in a head and shoulders reversals. One side tries 3 times, so leg one, pull back failed. Leg two fails, pull back. Leg three is a lower high, and then it reverses. Or we go straight up and retest the highs after a strong trend line break. That's another trade. There's a lot of things that can happen on the daily, and excuse me, I tried to mute the mic, but my voice got something, whatever that is, in my throat. So yeah, daily charts looking. It's very hard to say because I'm trying to be objective as I can. So we are bullish because we've had way more bull bars for sure, but bears are breaking out below the EMA. What is confusion? So I guess you could say I'm kind of confused. So we could be in a trading range. That's interesting. We'll see what. Now I'm super curious to see what happens. 45-minute chart is a double bottom. So this right here is a trading range. This price action, right? Double bottom and a double top. So one more. So this is somewhat of a breakout mode, approaching the EMA. Will we test this? Will we test the gap here, or do we reverse lower? Be cool to see. Let me know what you guys think. If I'm about what your thoughts are on the daily chart and things like that, or if you're in the Discord, post some charts with your thoughts. It'd be interesting. Just keep it like Albrush related, Ali related. Gap up. Bar one, the bull bar. Bar one's a bear bar with bullish pressure, right? It has a tail, closes above its midpoint, but it has a bear body because it opened on its high and closed on its low. Closed lower than its high. It didn't close on its low. It closed lower than its high, so it's bear bar, but it has bull pressure. And bar two, we can see that bull pressure. We break out above bar one, but then we go sideways for bars 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, pull back. Leg three. I got trapped here. I bought that thinking I was gonna go for a 1 to 2R, and 1R was like right here. And it went here, and then I thought I'd get out at my original entry, and it didn't. So took a nasty hit, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. Double bottom bull flag. Gap up, double bottom bull flag, failed breakout. This bear bar may look strong, but look, less than 50% of it's closing below the EMA, and it's closing below bull gap. So I could have held, but I just bought again on over here. Bulls buy the EMA, and we start the trend. Leg one, pull back. Leg two. This is a breakout, so I think the leg count can reset here. So this would be leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five. Or I also like to do leg count. So I do leg count resets above the EMA. So we break out above this EMA. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Here's a fractal leg 1, pull back leg 2. So there's a lot of reasons to get out of longs around this, or excuse, that was a little bit wide, but around this price action, I think it's safe to get out of longs because it's more sideways. Wedge top. We've had a lot of selling pressure the last couple of days. We're coming very close to yesterday's high. I didn't have that marked out, but I did get out as this bar was forming 49 because I saw the wedge top and it was time to get out, I think. Bar got followed through. So I kind of didn't race through that. Let me restart. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge top, and we break out. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. I think there are more buyers. Well, there are more buyers because the bars are trending. When it opens on its low, close on its high, open on a low, close on its high, opposite bar. Bulls are taking profits at recent highs. Bears want to get short for a double top and see a reversal, but they get trapped. Stop order bears don't get trapped because the market never traded 1 tick below. However, the unfortunate bears that went short here with a market order are trapped right away. A 30 dipped below 29 and ripped up. I think that would have had a lot more trap traders because all the stop order bears would have got trapped. But 30 missed them, so we only got the market order bears and maybe limit order bears who had a limit order here. This would be, since it broke out, this becomes a bad limit order. If it sold off, it would have been a good limit order, bad breakout. So we could see market order bears and limit order bears trapped here, but stop order bears got saved because it's not an outside bar. So bar 30, 31, 32, strong, three strong bull bars. I think it's good enough for its own second leg. We're breaking out above the EMA. Opening on its open on its low, close on its high, open on its low, close on its high, open on its low. No tail, so they bought right up to the last tick, and 33 reversed higher. Lower. What the heck? 33 reversed lower. Look at 33. It traded 1 tick above 32, so that means there are trap bulls here, unlike 30 that did not trade 1 tick below 29. So bulls get trapped. Market sells off, breaks 33, breaks 31's low. That's the start of a second leg, with this being the first leg because it broke out of the EMA. Leg 1, first trend line break, start of leg 2. And here we have a nice leg 2. It's not the strongest leg 2, but in terms of it just being bull bars and gradually going higher, that's good. 38 broke trend line, kind of gave a double top appearance. So now we're into the third leg, but it's still a bull bar. So leg 1, pull back. So that breaks. When we have micro trend line breaks, that's bull flag. So this is the bull flag on a lower time frame. Stop order bulls get filled, market breaks out, and we go for another 3 legs. This is a swing high, breakout, breakout leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. And then here we have the fractal leg 1, leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2. 49 being a strong reversal bar for the bears. I definitely think it's safe to get out of longs if you're so long on the close of 49. What is the plan to get out if you're not getting out there? What is the plan? I'm working on it. That's why I'm asking you guys, because I definitely could see myself. I got out when this was forming, like on the low right here. So I can see how it's very easy to just get trapped. Yeah, reversal 49, follow through, good follow through for the bears. 50, however, bad follow through for 50, but I think for 49 was 1R. Oh, so 2R was met with 63. Brad always says in ranges we get delayed leg 2s. So here, I think is a strong. What is it? What is the word I'm looking for here? What is this called? When it's like a abundant feature, like it's a dominating. I think these 2 bear bars make a dominating feature. I can't remember the exact verbiage. A significant feature on the chart. So if we're not in a bear trend, we're at least in a range now because we've had a big up, big down, and then we have a deep pullback, 3-legged pullback into the EMA. Creates a wedge top. I'm using all the things today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a bear flag. You see that bear flag wedge top into the EMA. 57 is a great short, I think. Stop order. Bears get filled. Market order bears. Limit order bears. The whole bear gang is getting filled. They're shorting. But bad follow through 59. Goes more sideways. 63 is testing the breakout point of 63 is testing the breakout point of 23. Around this price action is testing the high of this range. The bull flag that broke out. The wedge top. Test, bounce. This bar was strong enough to get its own second leg down. And it did. I don't know. My pen thing got super thin. I don't know why. It used to be thicker. Like 1, pull back. Like 2, pull back. Like 3. And then it reverses in bulls. So you see how leg counting is super useful in ranges. I used to say it's hard to count legs in ranges, but I was just ignorant. It is super useful to count legs in ranges. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, wedge top into both EMAs. Strong sell, 73. More sideways price action. We've been going sideways for quite some time now. I mean, you could say we've been going sideways since 51 because this is still within the range. It's a pretty cool day. Really cool to see what's going to happen on the daily chart because when I started trading Al Brooks, I couldn't even read price action on the 5-minute. Now, like, I understand how price action, it doesn't matter what time frame we trade on. Price action is price action. We can go to any time frame. Pick a random number. 76. Okay, sounds good. How do you go to 76 though? Okay, price action is price action. This double bottom, it looks like a double bottom on the 45-minute chart anyways. We read that. So this bull trend, this buy the close rally was a buy the close rally on the 45-minute too. So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of cool to see what's going to happen on the daily chart because this is strong enough to get third leg down. This is strong enough to get a retest. But since I'm confused, that means we're in a range. Do we get another shoulder? Do we get a test? Do we get a test of this breakout and then we bounce? Our bulls going to keep, because now there's a gap from here to here. So our bulls going to keep that gap open. Like, it's starting to get kind of fun. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend. It's probably Monday morning. So good morning. I hope you guys have a good trading day. Please use your stop loss. It's not about making money. It's about doing the right thing. Okay? Wait for your setups. Hit out when you're supposed to hit out. And I'm saying that as a reminder to myself. I'm not trying to tell anyone off. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for your support. Bye.